Hi everyone, today let's talk about the alarms console. First we can display it by clicking here and then we can enlarge it. The alarms console will display all the alarms events you received from your current Chemtrace server. By current Chemtrace server, I am referring to this tab. So right now, I am connected to my Chemtrace server 130. So that's why in my alarms console, I only have event from the Chemtrace server 130. Be careful because if you have the cluster interface option, then it will show alarms from all your servers in your cluster. So if I switch to Chemtrace server 108, I do have a cluster with my 108 Chemtrace server and 130. So that's why in that case, I do have events from the Chemtrace server 130 and the Chemtrace server 108. So you can use the alarms console in different ways. First, you can click one event to know what happened. Normally, you should have a screenshot here on the right side. If you do not have a screenshot, then this is something you need to configure on the Chemtrace server side. So maybe you need to ask your installer or administrator to enable it. So you can either use your mouse button or you can also use your up and down keyboard arrow to quickly navigate through events. One very useful use case is that you can use the motion detection from your camera to trigger alarms. In that case, it is really easy to know who entered your office, for example. So that's something we have already configured here in our Chemtrace office. So I can use the down keyboard arrow to quickly navigate and see who came in. So this is really useful. And here on the right side, you can see all the individuals who entered our Chemtrace office. If you are searching for one specific event, you have to disable this button because this button will always scroll up if you have a new alarm. So if you are looking for something specific down there, you might want to disable the auto scroll. Of course, you have a search button here, so you can use some criteria to search for something specific. To finish this video, I will show you another way to use the alarms console. So first, you can double-click one event and it will display the live view of that camera. So For example, if you received an alarm and you would like to know who entered your office, you can double click this event. Right now, I cannot see that person. So what I can do is simply drag and drop this event and then drop it here. In that case, it will open the player mode of that camera. So now I only need to click play button so I can see who came in and I can identify that person. Of course, the timeline cursor will be set couple seconds before the event, so you can click play and then identify that person very easily. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I will see you in another one. Bye!